Hi, I'm Rica Arabella Racelis and I will be discussing about the causes of BOP deficits and steps to reduce our BOP deficit. So first, let's discuss about causes of BOP deficits. Okay, before that, let's define deficits. In financial terms, a deficit occurs when expenses exceed revenues, imports exceed exports, or liabilities exceed assets. A deficit is synonymous with a shortfall or loss and is the opposite of a surplus. A deficit can occur when a government, company, or person spends more than it receives in a given period, usually a year. In short, kakulangan. Structural causes. Before we discuss structural causes, let's first define structural deficit. Structural deficit is the amount by which a government's spending is more than it receives in taxes in a particular period, whether the economy is performing well or not. Next is monetary causes. Monetary or revenue deficit arises when the government's revenue expenditure exceeds the total revenue receipts. Revenue deficit includes those transactions that have a direct impact on the government's current income and expenditure. This represents that the government's own earnings are not sufficient to meet the day-to-day operations of its departments. Revenue deficit turns into borrowings when the government spends more than what it earns and has to resort to the external borrowings. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay kapag ang business or ang government has a revenue deficit, it means ay kulang sa income na hindi kayang i-cover ang basic operations, kaya kinakailangan manghiram ng pera or ibenta ang existing assets. Too big deficit.